Okay, so I got my mount moved over. I got some temporary pins in here. What I need to do now is trim up the bottom here a little bit. Well, that's my rough shape there. I'm gonna obviously go ahead and fill all these cracks in. For my next step, take my trusty butcher knife. Obviously this is old. I leave this typically out in my vegetable garden for cutting vegetables off. Bring it in the winter, that's about it. What I want to do making sure there's nothing stuck in between. Double check all my fit. Everything looks good. Well, I'm gonna take the bottom and just do all my first cuts straight up and down. So if my cut's all straight up and down, that there is going to represent where the dynamite, all your slots were drilled, and your blasting marks. Then I'm gonna do some randomly. Typically when they do blasting, it's actually really smooth. And if you haven't noticed that this knife here has got a serrated edge, so it works perfect for this. There you go. One rock face done. Next one. Okay, well, I'm just gonna try a little bit of magic here. Trees. Oh, apparently not that easy. I'll give her another go. Trees. That's better. So, I got these are my twisty trees, the wire trees. Let's got a bunch of these perfect head-shaped trees that don't exist in the wild from my old HO model railroad. So what I do to make these look a little better. First, you gotta drop on the floor. That always helps. So I come in here with my scissors. Give them a good working over. Well, my trees look like they've grown up in the wild, not on some manicured front yard of some rich dude's house. Or chicks, whatever. Like, you want to be very meticulous on how you do this. Just kidding, I'm just hacking and slashing. It's really messy. So now I got that part done. I'll actually take the roots, snip those off. Move my chesty mountain back. I don't know where do you guys want this guy to live? Oh, right here, looks nice. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Well, not so manicured looking now, is it? And before I finally set this at home, I'm going to hit it with some brown paint. Obviously finish the ones that are all copper. You can see those. Ooh, they're just straight copper. One's painted brown, one's just got the primer and leaves on it. Let's leave that one there. This one here was my test tree. If you see my twisty tree video, I was the one that's going to try something with. So with this one, I took that poly wool crap, wrapped that around the branches, hit that with some spray glue. Hit that up with spray glue and then took some of my flocking, threw that on there. Like, it's not gonna look too bad there for a background tree. Just to, you know, fill in some spots. It's faster than the other way I do them. I wouldn't use it for a foreground tree. Not for where I live in the world, at least. That's that. That's this done. Okay. So, I got all my edges roughed up. I'm just going to take some pre-mixed drywall compound and just in here, fill up these gaps. Doesn't have to be pretty because after all it is a rock wall. Actually, don't want you guys attached yet. I'm not going to attach those till I move them over. Schmutz on the back side there. Forget it, this is also going to be covered and textured. Yeah, one. I'll tell the guys to get up to the top level. They could take the road that doesn't exist yet. Doesn't look bad at all. So, I think we'll just leave that at that for the night. I think we'll start the surfaces. Probably do the rock face next. Thanks for watching. Give a like, thumbs up, comment, any questions. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll stop playing with my hands. And, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep running the rails.